The engine bay is not a part that must be maintained regularly, but it accumulates various grease and grime from both external contaminants and the vehicle's drivetrain. Such accumulated contaminants can hinder the engine's cooling process and reduce the durability of internal engine bay components. Therefore, periodic cleaning is recommended to help maintain the vehicle's performance over time. STEC APC is the best choice for engine bay cleaning. Depending on the level of contamination, it can be used undiluted or diluted up to 10:1 with water. While using it in foam form is ideal, it can also be applied in liquid form. Spray a sufficient amount of cleaner and gently remove contaminants using an appropriate brush. The engine bay naturally gets exposed to a considerable amount of water while driving in the rain, so there is no issue with the cleaner or water coming into contact with it. However, avoid using excessively high-pressure water when rinsing. If you can't adjust the pressure, spray the water from a bit farther away. Repeat the same process, focusing on flat surfaces to remove contaminants. If you want to clean deep into the crevices, using an inner rim brush from Will Cleaning can be a great option. After cleaning, applying a coating will enhance the color, improving the appearance and slowing down the accumulation of dirt. Using STEC Dress is the easiest option, but if you want a longer-lasting coating, ceramic coatings like quartz or final coat are also great choices.